Please relax. Let your body ease. And feel the gentle hush of night around you. Inhale slowly, exhale softly, and sink into the comfort beneath you. Feel the support of your chair or bed. Let your shoulders loosen, your hands rest gently. Your breath becomes slow and even, as if each inhale is gathering peace, and each exhale releasing all tension. Imagine a soft breeze brushing your skin, carrying the faint scent of pine and cool earth as dusk settles over a quiet village nestled in rolling hills. The only movement is the stars, beginning to glimmer in the velvet sky. Allow your eyelids to become heavier, as if they might close at any moment. With every word I whisper, let your body soften, deeper, calmer, closer to sleep. Inhale the distant night. Exhale, letting go of thoughts, worries, cares. Picture yourself stepping onto a small cobblestone lane, moonlight pooling at your feet, guiding you toward a modest workshop at the edge of the village, a place of gentle purpose and quiet magic. Deepening, counting, and imagery as my voice guides you, descend deeper into this tranquil state. 10. Feel the stones cool beneath your bare feet, grounding you in stillness. 9. Hear the rustle of leaves overhead, whisper soft in the night wind. 8. Smell the faint sweetness of wood smoke and oil, hinting of warmth within. 7. Sense your muscles relax, melting like wax in candlelight. 6. See the moon's pale glow on the workshop window, inviting you in. 5. Halfway now. Calm deepens. Breath slows. For let each chest movement be gentle and easy. 3. Mind drifts like a leaf on a quiet pond. 2. You're weightless, floating. 1. Fully relaxed inside this peaceful village night. Our story today begins in this tranquil lane, outside the workshop of Master Emmerich, the old clockmaker. For years, his small town slept under a different rhythm water-run time, flowing softly instead of ticking briskly. That evening, through the workshop door's soft crack, you catch a whisper of gentle clatter, the clinking of metal on wood, and the slow, steady drip of water guiding hidden gears. Let the door close behind. Let the door close behind, muffling the world, bringing you into its serene heart. Pause. Let the imagery settle as the listener breathes. Master Emmerich works by moonlight. His hands are steady, familiar with gears and spindles. Each tiny wheel he fits into place moves like a heartbeat, slow, sure, rhythmic. He stood at his bench, lit by a single lantern whose lantern light dances across high rafters. You can almost feel the faint hum of oil on brass, the gentle scent of cedar shavings, the soft scratch of his all-piercing leather tooling at the bench's edge. Emmerich's creation is a water-powered clock in ancient design learned during his travels on Crusader caravans. Medieval engineers once returned with knowledge of norias and watermills from Syria and beyond, bringing them back to Europe, transforming how time was measured. But here, Emmerich adapts that wisdom into something intimate, a tabletop timepiece. As water drips from a small copper channel into a weighted bowl, the bowl lowers, turning gears in wood and brass. 1 drop, ... 1 movement. 1 breath marking the night's passage. Feel the rhythm of the dripping water drip. Turn, drip. Like a lullaby. It's not urgent. It's not loud. It's patient. And so can you be. Imagine sitting on a low stool across from Emmerich. You're enveloped in the warmth of his hearth, where a small fire crackles in a stone fireplace. The fire's scent is tanja smoke curling around oak logs. The gleam of brass in the moonlit lantern casts long, comforting shadows. The steady gurgle of water works in harmony with the heartbeat of your breath. You gently sway, lulled by the combination warmth, glow, rhythm, hush. Master Emmerich hums. Quietly soft notes pass from his mother as lullabies carried with him from his childhood village by the sea. The melody weaves through the hum of gears, reminding him of time's flow, and of the gentle patience required to master it. He fits the final gear into place, the water flows again, and the clock begins to count the hours. Softly, steadily, like rain on a distant roof, you realize time here does not chase. It gently unfolds, like a page turning, like a breath held, then released. Let these images and sounds merge, threading into your mind, slow as water over stone, soft as worn wood on fingertips.
And so we rest now in the echo of the lantern's glow. The monastery, the forest, the flickering lights all remain, but at a gentle distance, like the memory of a warm bath, or the taste of honey and tea, or the last soft notes of a love. You carry the stillness with you, not because the story demands it, but because your body has learned a rhythm of peace. Now you find yourself not walking, not even dreaming, just drifting. Drifting gently beyond the cloisters, beyond the stairwells and stones, into something older than words. You are no longer a guest here. You are part of it. The silence, the calm, the breath between candle marks. The Abbey has welcomed you fully. You have become one of its softest thoughts. And somewhere within this stillness, there is a sense not of ending, but of continuing. Like the way night folds into dawn, and dawn into day, without a single sound. If you listen closely, you might hear it a final blessing carried on the wind. Not in Latin, not in words at all, but in scent, in warmth, in the hush of everything being exactly as it should be. The blessing says, may your rest be full, and your dreams be kind, and may you wake only when you are ready, no sooner. And so it is. Now, the story itself curls up like a cat in a sunbeam, nestling into the corners of your mind, ready to nap beside you for the rest of the night. It doesn't need to be remembered. It doesn't ask to be retold. It simply holds your hand as you drift, softly, slowly, weightlessly. Your breath is the last lantern now. It flickers gently and glows only for you. Let it shine as long as it needs. Let it fade when it's ready. There is no rush, no noise, only peace, only peace, only peace. The story ends. You do not need to wait.